Hey guys, this is day 11 of teaching Python. Previously we did Python sets and we completed it till join loop sets. So we will start from join sets. Join sets. The union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. So if set 1 is A, B, C, and set 2 is 1, 2, 3, it will join those two together. So A, B, 1, 2, C, 3. Okay? It made it it's not like completely in order, but that's kind of what happens. You can also use the line. I'm not sure what you call that, but you can use that also to join sets. It has the same thing as union. You can join multiple sets, not just like one or two. You can join multiple with the union function. So, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, John, Elena, apple, banana, cherry, and it has all of them. Apple, 3, cherry, B, A, Elena, C, banana, John, 1, 2, 1. So it's a weird order, but it did what you told it to do. You told it to put those things together and join the set, so that's what it did. You can always do this as well, but you'll have to put multiple of those. It has the same function as the union one. Okay. Everything is still there. Okay, join a set and a tuple. You can still always use the union method. Okay, you can join this with this. Okay, you can also use update. If you use update, it does the same thing. So set1 dot update, parentheses open, set 2, parentheses close, and then print set 1. Since you already did set 1 update set 2, so that means in set 1 it already has set 2. That's why you're printing only set 1. Okay, you can use intersection to return a new set. It will return a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets. So over here, apple, banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft, apple. What's the same in these two? Apple. So it's only going to do apple. You can also use the AND function to join two sets. Okay? I mean, not join, but also like same thing as intersection. You can do and it will show you which one is the same. So it will do apple again. You can use intersection update. It's also just going to show this apples. Okay, why? Because it only keeps the duplicates, but it will change the original set instead of returning a new set. Okay, the values true and 1 are considered the same value. Same goes as false and 0. Okay, so apple 1, false, Google. So an apple, 1, banana, 0, cherry, false, Google, Microsoft, apple, true. So what's similar? Apple is always similar. False and 0, 0, false. So false, it'll write false, and true and 1 is also similar since these two have the same values. They both mean true, but that's just what this guy wrote, okay? So yeah, it just shows true, false, true, apple, since those are what is common in both of them. You can also find difference. See, what's the difference? Banana and cherry. They're different. Okay. See, here you're showing set 1 difference of set 2. So it's going to show what things does set 2 not have that is in set 1. You can also flip these around to show what set 2 has instead of set 1. You can also do minus operator instead of difference. Same thing. Banana, cherry. You can use difference update, but as you know, it will still show a difference since that's what it's supposed to do. Symmetric will keep only elements that are not present in both sets. So things that are both different, but instead of just one set like previously, it shows both sets. So what's the same? Apple. So banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft. That's what's going to be there. Google, banana, Microsoft, cherry. Okay? You can also use this. This is named carrot. Sometimes it's used in math, like in calculators. But if you put this, it also means symmetric difference. Okay, you can do symmetric difference update set 2. It's just going to do all of them, but whatever's first, it's going to execute. So symmetric, what's like symmetric? Both Apple is there, so it's still going to show banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft. Okay? And that's it. Frozen sets. Let's see what frozen sets are. So create a frozen set and check its type. Okay? So frozen sets. Create and see its type. So what it did, you just made a frozen set and it said to display X. So it's going to show the whole thing instead of apple, banana, cherry. And print type of X, which is frozen set. Okay? Frozen set methods. You can use copy. It will return another copy. So it's going to be like, let's say this is X, and it will write X right underneath it. So yeah, frozen set 1 to 3, frozen set 1 to 3. Just copied it. Okay, difference. You can always do a difference in a frozen set. Okay. What does number A have that B doesn't? With 1, 2. B doesn't have 1, 2. Okay. Intersection, you can always use and. It's just showing you what the method is, the shortcut, and the description. So it's just going to show what we learned before, and it's trying to like give you another reminder. Okay, you can always use and. It will return a new frozen set with intersection. Okay? Is disjoint. You can just use a space. I mean, it doesn't really have a shortcut. It doesn't have a shortcut. Okay, and it returns whether two frozen sets have an intersection. Is subset. You can always use either one of these. And returns true if this frozen set is a proper subset of another. And is superset. You can do greater than returns true if frozen set is a proper superset of another. So see this one subset, this one superset. Symmetric difference, you can use the caret. It returns a new frozen set with the symmetric differences in union. Returns a frozen set containing the union. Okay? Set methods. Add, it adds an element. clear, it removes all elements. Copy, it returns a copy of the set. Difference returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Difference update removes the item in this set that also includes in another specified set. Discard removes a specific item. Intersection returns a set that is intersection of other sets, and much more. We can go in depth of this next time. So next time we'll start with this. We'll click each one of these and see how they work. Okay then, yeah, that's it for day 11 of teaching Python. Come back next time for day 12. Bye!